Hello everyone, my name is Ashton, aka IndianCaymanian, and last night we finally did it. We hit 50 subscribers, and currently at the time I'm recording this video, we're at 51. So I just want to say a huge thank you to those who have been supporting my YouTube videos and help me get to this milestone. It means a lot, and you might say, oh, 50 is not a big number in the YouTube world, but it certainly is a big deal to those who are, small, are at the small side of YouTube, and I'm one of them. So I just want to say thank you so much. And if you really think about it, we're like halfway there to 100 subscribers, which we will get soon. And according to Social Blade, it thinks that I would hit 50 subscribers by December 24th, 2021, the day before Christmas. And guess what? We definitely hit 50 subscribers way earlier than that. So thank you all so much. And to celebrate, I just want to go in more depth of how I make my videos on YouTube. I kind of mentioned it in my setup video, but I really just showed my OBS settings and what program I use to edit and what kind of camera, I use to record videos like this right now. So let's give you a behind the scenes look of how I can record any video on my channel and give you advice on how I come up with these ideas and what you should do and what I do too, to make sure that content that I post is, entertaining and good for my audiences. But before we get started, make sure you leave a like, continue on subscribing, and also leave a positive comment down below of what you want to say. But anyways, let's give you a glimpse. If you're familiar already, this is my setup. The accessories that are important to use for content are microphones, webcams or cameras, and a PC that can handle editing softwares. And you can try use your phone, but I'm not gonna promise you it's gonna be an easier experience. So I recommend using a PC to edit. If you want to record gaming videos, I recommend using capture cards like Elgato to really show your gaming experience on consoles such as the Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch. Or if you're planning on playing PC games, you could stick to OBS. And speaking of OBS, here are the settings that you could possibly use for good quality and high frame rates. Now, if you want to be like me in terms of gaming, first of all, you gotta think to yourself if Let's Plays are really for you. Once you consider that idea, then what you do is record your gameplay all the way to the end of the match. Now, recording can be a huge duration, so I advise you to chop down your video and exclude the irrelevant parts. To put more creativity in your video, use background music as it helps to grab the viewer's attention even before anything happens in the video. Add green screen effects to really illustrate the inventiveness. Include audios that can create a comedy or a tense moment throughout your gameplay. Then you render that bad boy to the highest quality and frame rate, and boom, you are ready to upload that thing. Product reviews is what I like doing. If you have a high quality camera, try capture the look and aesthetic of the items you want to show off. Play around a bit and add motion to your camera and switch the product to different positions. It would add a quite of a professional touch in my opinion. This is time consuming though, and when it comes to you editing, make sure you really show off the device or object as much as possible, as viewers really want to see it. Add commentary and really talk about the main and relevant information of the product itself. To slowly end or start a new scene, I suggest blurring the background of one of the clips you have. That way, people will focus more on what you want to say or can see the text you included in it. Reaction videos are quite simple. All you need is to output your display and put the camera showing your face to the side. I suggest that you show a real reaction and make it genuine. If it's hard for you to really show your emotions on camera, then I would rule out that idea, or just search for something until you find a video, a picture, or a post that would really spark your expressions. Skits is something I include in my video. Prime example is my story time about my appendix. I do it by putting on an iconic image of my face and then editing it to a figure and adding it as a background. My way of doing skits is meant for laughter and jokes, and at the same time it really does portray that moment you are talking about, and it's so explicit. Now, you might not be the type of person that would make any of those contents, so I jotted down some advice of what you should really include in your videos. This could apply to any content you are thinking of. This can be education, vlogs, films, animations, you name it. First of all, we have details and statistics. If you're a person who makes videos based on politics, I know at some point you would really need details by a credible source or use statistics to describe a politician's approval rating, for example. That would be a good way for someone to use that and put that into their content. And not a lot of categories on YouTube would require you to use data at all. So I would really put this idea to the least of its requirements. Talking to your audience, however, is something you should really practice on. Uploading a video means you will attract a certain audience. They will become your average viewers, your subscribers. When they watch your videos, make sure you communicate with them. That way, it would create a feeling of being included. Share your connections while you are at it. They can relate to you, or they'd be more interested in the person you are. Key moments is something your audiences are looking forward to in your videos. Really include those important aspects so that they will watch to the end of the video, or possibly subscribing and showing a bit of support. Finally, show true character and personality. Your true nature can gain the attention of your viewers. They don't want to see someone who's lethargic. They want to see someone with life in them. Be funny, be enthusiastic, be smart, be whoever you want to be based on the content you aim for. In order to make YouTube videos, I strongly advise you decide what content you want to make for viewers to be attracted to if this is your first time making a YouTube channel from the very start. For those who are doing YouTube already, think about the content that audiences tend to watch most from your channel based on the numbers of views and support you receive. Now, for both of you guys starting or has already started, make sure you think of an idea you know your audience will like and if you would enjoy making it. When both sides are happy, then you will be more motivated to making these types of videos. Your audience will grow in a matter of time. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I cannot thank you guys enough for helping me get to 50 subscribers. You guys legit helped me so much, and it really put a big positive impact to the channel as we're growing views and the subscribers and the likes, etc. So since you guys helped me get here, I wanted to return a favor, and I wanted to show you guys if you're considering making YouTube videos one day, how to make YouTube content and grow your channel. But that's really it, you guys, and again, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to the 75 subscriber special, and of course that big 100 subscribers milestone. Make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe, and of course leave a comment down below. Anyways, keep on supporting you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.